Imagine making money online without creating a product at all. I know that sounds crazy, right? Well, that's exactly what digital marketing allows you to do. And today I would share and break it down in the most simplest way ever. Digital marketing is being broken into different sections, and there are six main sections that you should know. One is SEO, which is ranking websites on Google. Two is social media marketing, which is Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, X, Twitter, and many more. And two is email marketing, which is used to building customers relationship via email. Four is paid ads, which is running ads on Facebook, on Google Ads, on Instagram, on Twitter, on X, on TikTok, on Snapchat. And five is content marketing, which is writing blogs, making videos like this. And six is affiliate marketing, which is making money by promoting other people's products. And the best part is you can start learning for free without needing a degree at all. Now that you know what digital marketing is, like I know like your next question would be which skill or which part of digital marketing should you focus on? In my next video, I would share the top 5 digital marketing skills you need to succeed in 2025. So hit the subscribe button below and turn up your notifications so you don't miss it.